nothing beats a warm, inviting bowl of soup, especially when it gets cold outside. Except for maybe this soup, which has got all the flavors from the Yucatan in it. We're talking tomatoes, chili, lime juice, garlic, cumin, and of course, America's favorite vegetable, potatoes. Not only are we using fresh potatoes in today's soup, but we're also using some crispy, wonderful kettle chips that are gonna add texture, crunch, and really elevate this soup to the next level. I'm Chef RJ Harvey, Director of Culinary for Potatoes USA. Not only am I a chef, but I'm also a registered dietitian. So let's get into these ingredients. You're gonna be amazed at how quick this soup is to put together, and processed products are gonna help us get there. Processed products, unfortunately, get a really bad rap, but they've been around for many, many years, helping not only with food safety and food security, but they also are a great way to lock in nutrients and trap in some great flavor from those fresh fruits and vegetables. Processed products such as potato chips are very, very clean label. We're talking oil, salt, and America's favorite vegetable, potatoes. So let's go ahead and get cooking. So we're gonna start off with our extra virgin olive oil. Now we're gonna add in our sliced yellow onions, and we're just gonna start to saute these until they become nice and translucent. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once those onions are nice and translucent, we're gonna add in all of our garlic and cook this for another 1 to 2 minutes. So we've got some smoked paprika, that chili powder, a little bit of added heat with some cayenne pepper, some ground cumin, some oregano, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. After these spices toast a little bit, that's when we're gonna add in our tomatoes and then 2 quarts of chicken stock. In go our potatoes. And now all we have to do is stir this a little bit, bring this up to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and we're gonna allow this to simmer until those potatoes are nice and tender, probably about 20 to 25 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start shredding our chicken. Now, it's great to use rotisserie chicken because not only is it gonna save you time, but as we talk about processed products, this is anything that is done ahead of time by the time you get it home. And this not only saves us time, but as we mentioned earlier on things like fresh fruits and vegetables, canning or freezing those allows you to trap in those vital nutrients as well as retain a lot of flavor. But we're gonna just simply shred this into small pieces. Our soup has been slow simmering. Now those potatoes are nice and tender. So in goes our chicken. Doesn't that look awesome? Give that just a gentle stir and your soup is pretty much done. But we do want to add a little bit more flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some wonderful freshly squeezed lime juice. So now that our soup is all done, all that's left is to plate it up. So now we're just gonna garnish our soup. And add those onto our soup. We're gonna add in some kettle chips. And then we're gonna add in some fresh cilantro just to brighten up this entire dish. And there you have it. That's our chicken and potato Yucatan soup. For more wonderful recipes like this and other inspirational ideas on how to use potatoes of all forms, including processed potatoes, go to potatogoodness.com.